Hello everyone. Now let's move forward. Take a blue circular chart paper at the ground, make the cloud. Now take a pink color of clay, make a coil of it and leave the end part like this. Now stick it onto the neck of the red body that we made. Yes, we are making a Peppa Pig out of it. Add the eyes, blush and the ears of our Peppa Pig hand, etc. Now again take a white piece of paper, take different color balls of clay, press them using your finger like this and make a border of it using black marker and add different shapes around it, making them look like a candy. Like this you can make many of them. Our art piece is ready. Now take a black circular sheet and cut down the green strips like this and stick them. Now take the different colors ball and stick onto these sticks. Now take the earbuds, cut them into half and insert it into the clay like this, making the flower. Do the same with the other three balls. Now make leaves using the green chart paper like this and add some sparkle onto the picture. Now take a green colored ball of clay and press it down like this and make many more of them, and now add the details using the green marker just like you are making a watermelon. Now add some more details of like red and green color, making the pieces of the watermelon.